Good evening, everybody. This is Renel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna have a look back on Tesla vehicles. All you need to know about Tesla before buying. Tesla is an American vehicle and clean energy company that has revolutionized the automotive industry with its focus on sustainable and innovative technologies. Founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, and later joined by Elon Musk, Tesla has become a leader in electric vehicles and has significantly contributed to the shift towards cleaner transportation solutions. This video explores the features, benefits, and challenges of Tesla vehicles, highlighting their impact on both the automotive industry and the environment. Innovations and features. Tesla vehicles are renowned for their cutting-edge technology and performance. The company's lineup, which includes models like the Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, is characterized by all-electric powertrains, impressive acceleration, and long-range capabilities. The Model S Plaid, for instance, can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds, demonstrating the company's commitment to high performance. One of Tesla's standout features is its autopilot, an advanced driver assistance system that allows for semi-autonomous driving. With features such as traffic-aware cruise control and lane centering, autopilot aims to improve safety and convenience on the road. Tesla also continues to work on full self-driving technology, which has the potential to offer fully autonomous driving capabilities in the future. Tesla vehicles are equipped with over-the-air software updates, allowing for continuous improvement and the addition of new features. This innovation ensures that Tesla owners benefit from the latest technology without the need to purchase a new vehicle. Environmental benefits. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy by producing exclusively electric vehicles. Tesla reduces the reliance on fossil fuels and decreases greenhouse gas emissions. This aligns with global efforts to combat climate change and improve air quality. In addition to their zero emissions powers trains, Tesla vehicles often include eco-friendly materials and energy efficient features. For example, they utilize a heat pump system for climate control, which consumes less energy compared to traditional systems. Tesla's commitment to sustainability extends to its manufacturing processes, aiming to minimize waste and utilize renewable energy sources. Market impact and challenges. Tesla's success has had a profound impact on the automotive industry, prompting many traditional automakers to accelerate their own electric vehicle programs. The company's ability to combine high performance with sustainability has set a new standard for what consumers can expect from electric vehicles. However, Tesla faces several challenges as it continues to expand. One of the main hurdles is scaling production to meet increasing demand. Building factories like the gigafactories in Nevada, Shanghai, Berlin, in Texas is part of Tesla's strategies to boost production capacity and meet global market needs, ensuring consistent quality and addressing supply chain issues, especially with battery production remain critical tasks. Additionally, expanding charging infrastructure to support widespread adoption of electric vehicles is essential. Tesla has made significant investments in its supercharger network, but creating a comprehensive and accessible charging system is crucial for encouraging more consumers to switch to electric vehicles. To finish, Tesla has played a significant role in transforming the automotive landscape, pushing the boundaries of what electric vehicles can achieve in terms of performance, technology, and sustainability. By leading the charge in the electric vehicle market, Tesla has not only provided consumers with viable and exciting alternatives to traditional gasoline-powered cars, but has also accelerated the industry's shift towards a more sustainable future. As Tesla continues to innovate and address challenges, its influence on both the market and environmental practices is likely to grow, contributing positively to the global quest for cleaner and more sustainable transportation solutions.